Well, the mirrors on my 1971 Dodge Demon need to be replaced. So I went ahead and ordered a pair of the rally mirrors from eBay. Pretty nice, not cheap. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the armrest off and also the window crank. That way I can get the door card off. And then I'm going to see if I'm going to need to do anything extra in order to get under that mirror there in the door. Now it seems on the crank it's going to be, looks like an Allen key in order to take that one off. And then I'm sure the armrest is, looks like a couple of screws. And then I'm guessing there's probably, yep, that you'll take off right there too. Alright, so, you know, it was just using right Allen wrench to take off the window crank. I ended up using an 11 millimeter socket to take off kind of the door handle. After you take off the armrest and you take off the door handle, this just kind of just pops off really easily. And then now I'm just going to feel my way around and I'm just going to pop the little clips that the door card pops into. Alright, so after taking the door card off, I ended up taking, I guess, the water shield or water barrier. I can't remember exactly what this is called, but this piece of plastic basically keeps moisture out. Maybe it was called a moisture barrier. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mirror, I'm going to look in here, I'm going to see if I can get to that, whatever's holding the mirror in. Right, surprisingly enough, with the long enough extension, and again the 11 millimeter socket, looks like I'm going to be able to get to this thing here. Let's see if we can go and show you. Looks like this is going to be the last screw to take out, and then this passenger mirror should hopefully just pop right off. So here's the new passenger side mirror, and I went ahead and I put the screw in up top, and now I'm going to come back around, and I'm going to go ahead and put, I guess this looks like a lock nut, and I'm going to go ahead and with the extension go back into the door underneath and tighten that up. Then I'm basically just going to reverse the order on how I took all this apart.